Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can resize columns in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your sheet here on Google Sheets, and there are two ways actually how resizing these columns works in 2026. So the first option, we might have already covered that in one of our past tutorials, is to use these handles here, left and right of the given column, to resize the width, right? You can do it like that. But there's also a second option. I found this just recently in 2026. So what you want to do is right click into the given column and you will see this option, resize column, and then you will see this window popping up. So here you can enter a new column width in pixels, enter the value here, it's set to 108 or 108, and on default it will be set to 100. So let me go with a large one, 500, right? Click into OK and see the result. Or alternatively, guys, you may, for example, choose to fit to data. Click into OK, and now as you can see, the column has the same width as the data here listed below. So that's the two options, guys, how you can resize columns in Google Sheets in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.